Hey guys, it's me and
Hello,
Callum Cows. I'm gonna get the webcam on so you can see us.
Okay, see all of us actually.
So there's Theo right there,
Callum,
and we're gonna play a game
and
today.
you right there.
And me, Sam the Drummer. We're doing this on Callum's channel because he doesn't have any videos.
Yeah.
Subscribe to him. He has no subscribers. Please subscribe to him.
And 0 views.
0 views. So go check out this game on Roblox. It's called Drive a Car onto the track and get it hit by a train by Love Thomas fan 325. Go check him out too. He's an awesome. I want to see him.
You want to see Thomas? Thomas the choo-choo train.
He loves Epic.
He's insane, yo.
It's
a baby thing.
Thomas actually did something savage to my car in this game. Yesterday I was driving my Mercedes-Benz on to
and it completely got
to Burger King, and
it completely got
and Toby the tram engine was coming the other way, and I didn't even notice, and
he smashed his car.
And he rammed into my car and it killed me.
Yeah, and this is how it turned out.
It obliterated my car. I should have taken a picture of it, but
yeah, and then we can show it to you guys. Let's hop in our car.
Let's hop in our car.
This is our car. So,
Did you guys see that? Did you see that?
It just smashed the engine.
Close the door.
Mom said don't shout. Oh, you can hop inside. Look at him.
But look at my car, guys. My car got obliterated. My car got obliterated.
Just smashed.
My car just exploded in flames, sending a tractor trailer rig across the road.
Where in the world's the train? Toby the train engine.
Toby the trap engine.
So what if we could do a Five Nights at Freddy's Roblox video? That would be cool, but it would have to be like a certain age to watch it.
We're going to do that.
Yeah, but maybe in the next video, or when are we gonna do Splatoon videos?
We'll do a Splatoon video soon, guys. But
and Minecraft.
Toby the tram engine, I'm pretty sure is gonna come.
We could do some Mario videos.
Toby's gonna come on this.
In the camera.
Toby's coming on this track, so he's coming.
And let him smash you.
Oh,
Sam. There he is. There's Toby. Jump on him when he comes by.
Look at that.
Jump on him. Where in the world is he?
Well, he
teleported.
Toby was literally stuck at the end of the tunnel.
Sam, just go check what. Sam, remember, check twice. Just in case.
Oh, somebody is
kissing you. Oh, sorry if we're a girl because we. There's something wrong with us. There's something wrong in Roblox. Okay, both of you. Who's even driving this thing?
Me.
Oh.
I'm gonna drive my car onto the railroad tracks.
No, into the middle one. That's when Toby comes. Middle one, he comes. Boom!
And as you can see, that is what happened yesterday. Toby came. Toby came on the second track and killed me.
Look at that dude.
And obliterated my car.
Look at that dude. Look at that dude. Get into the car. If I ever do my name. Oh, thankfully your car. They got repaired at the car.
My car got. Every time I do this episode, my car, I press a button and it magically gets repaired at the car shop.
Well, do you mean the repair?
Yeah,
these. Ooh, that was so epic.
Thomas the Tank Engine.
Okay, drive super fast.
Thomas the Tank Engine is now going to
hit. Sam, just park your car in the middle of the tracks, and when he's coming, like, dude, oh, see? No, you just go on to
I think if Thomas comes on this track, he's going to have a clear route.
Let's just.
Oh, nope, he's coming on the other track. He's going to land smack into that bus.
Ooh, that was bad.
Jump onto him.
I think the driver just died.
The driver of that bus just died. The driver of that bus died.
And
I hear Thomas's
whistle. And all the kids are MOG because they survived.
Everybody on that bus is amazing.
Yeah.
Because they survived.
And they were kids.
And they were teensy.
They were little.
They were little, like
and there's
little kiddles.
there was a big truck.
Park your car in the middle of the road.
So somebody is
Sorry,
trying to. Oh my gosh! What the heck?
Oh, Sam, I think you crashed. I think it was it okay?
No, a school bus
Oh, school.
spawned literally right on top of my car.
Let's do the school bus. Okay, there we go. Go. Before. Just Sam, go in the middle of the road.
Uh-oh.
There he is. I can hear him.
Uh-oh. Guys, I hear a train, so we're just gonna watch Thomas hit my truck, and boom!
Boom.
He destroyed it.
And thank you guys for watching.
Thank you guys.
Subscribe.
Thank you guys for watching this episode. Subscribe to Callum, and subscribe.
Bye-bye.
Subscribe to the nation, and
Bye.
And hope you guys enjoyed this episode.
Bye.
Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.